So we all know how important exercise is for our daily lives, but most times we tend to lack the motivation we need to get started or even to remain consistent once we have started. But on this video, I have a good news because I'm going to share with you websites that are going to pay you to get started like exercising. And this way is a very good motivation for you because once you're doing this, you're getting paid. It's a win-win thing for you. So let's get started. So the first app I'd love to talk about is called Achievements. This app gets to pay you for working every day, and in addition to working, you get to do a little activity on the app like taking some survey on your food intake, your sleep schedule, and activities that have connection with your health. And that way you earn points, and once your points gets to 10,000 points, you get to be able to withdraw your cash of about $10 through PayPal. So this is a very great way of earning money by doing fun things like just walking around or taking surveys that are going to impact your health positively. So the second app is called Sweatcoin. This app pays you for taking a step, and for every 1,000 steps you take, you get paid about 0.95 Sweatcoin. This is a virtual currency that you can actually use to buy things on the app's marketplace. So this is a great way of making some extra money, like getting things you need by just walking around. The next app is called Rover. This is a very interesting app because it does not just pay you to walk around, it also pays you to walk dogs. Yes, because you get to walk dog and then you get paid for the dog you're sitting or you're walking around. So you download the app and then you create your profile and it starts paying you for dog walking or pet sitting jobs that you can find on the app. And once you do this, they pay you. And you can actually set your own rate, but they can pay you $20 for dog walking. Next app is called Romantopia. This app is very interesting because they pay you to run, to jog, to swim, to do any exercise of any sort, including walking. So all you have to do is just to download the app on your phone, and once you start doing these exercises, you put it on and then it starts reading the exercises you're doing. They pay you in sports coin. This is a virtual currency that you can actually use to get paid for doing some of these things online. And once your payment is done, you can redeem it through PayPal, cash, or coupons, or even free memberships to get sports gears that you can actually get from the app. The next app is called Mapmyfitness. This is owned by Under Armour company that are into fitness gears, and they pay you for every step you take, like every activity, physical activity you do, tracking it with this app, you get to get paid. However, they don't pay you cash, but you can get some gears from the Under Armour company, get to get some of their products for free once you're able to complete the task you've set for yourself using the app. So the last app for today is quite a very tricky one and it's very interesting. But before I share this, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning other ways to make money online. I really appreciate that. So the app is called Step Bet. This is a very tricky app because with the app you have to challenge yourself to reach a particular goal, like fitness goal, and then you stake a bet of some amount of money, one of which if you're able to meet up with your goal you set for yourself, you win a bigger amount of money. But if you're unable to reach that goal you set for yourself, you lose the money completely. So it's a very interesting app to use. However, there are also other apps like Evidation, there are Optimist, and so many others, but some of them may not be available in your country. So before you use or download any of these apps, you have to make sure that they are very much available in your country and the payment methods are something that you can actually work with before you download the apps. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways to make money online. I really appreciate that. And if you're looking to see how you can make money using ChatGPT, Google News, and other stuff, you might want to check out this video. And if you're interested in getting some extra cash to start up an NGO or a business, also try to check out this video. Thank you for watching once again.